Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Today we got here is a new grow light. Now this comes with a stand and it's 4 feet by Barrina, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you how easy to put this together. So now what is the purpose of getting a stand growing light, right? The purpose, especially if you get a tall plant up to 4 feet and you want to stand it up somewhere in the corner, this is perfect for you. I did check the review out on Amazon. The review, it's outstanding. It's actually a new product, and it's an 42 watt 169 LED. This is the T10 vertical stand. So if you live in an area like where I live in Long Island, New York, we're in the deep fall weather. It's getting really cold. It's in the low 40s to the mid 60s. And coming next week is going to be freezing, so it's going to take out most of our outdoor plant. So if you have like a favorite plant, a tomato plant, pepper plant, or something like that, and you want to bring it inside. And another thing, if you don't have any backyard, you live in an apartment or wherever you're living in, and you want something just like in a corner spot or any spot, this right here is perfect. It's a slim, skinny light. All right, so always check in the description box for more price, details, more information about this. And it has an easy step on and off switch. You push this down, cuts it off, so you don't have to unplug it every time. So it's nicely protected by the foam plastic. Comes in an Allen key. That's the stand. Comes with two clamps right here and zip tie and manual how to set it up. It's literally nothing much to set up here. And so anything we're gonna do is just screw this on in the middle right here. It's right here. There's two options. We could either have it standing like that, or you could hang it up. It's pretty cool. You got double options, and you can see right here footsteps on it. But I didn't buy this one for hanging. I got this one for standing up. All right, look at this beautiful baby right there. See that? So it's 4 feet, and what I like about it, if you have a smaller plant, it actually, the light's from all the way to the bottom, so maybe a couple inch right here, but it's all the way from the bottom, comes all the way till the top of the tip. So you get full lights from that. And this, I brought in one of my tomato plant from outside, and with a tomato plant and a powerful light like this, 10 hours to 12 hours a day, I'll leave it on, especially in the night, and this will help it grow. And you can see I already got flower right there. And don't forget to pollinate your tomato plant. Just shake it around a little bit like that, and all the pollen will mix, and that's how we're gonna get a tomato. So I have more plants I have to bring inside. So this is amazing. And then you step on this and then it cuts off. So you see that? It's a slim, thin light that you could put anywhere in the corner. Like you can move it back. I'll move back all the way in the corner right there. Doesn't bother anybody. And then you could just put your plant anywhere and then just step on this. I gotta fix that. Easy. See that? You could literally put anywhere and wherever you want in your house with a house plant. This thing is amazing. So sometimes you don't have like a ceiling, like our ceiling. Look, our ceiling is 20 feet high, literally like 20 feet high. So I don't know, we can't hang any light even there. So with a ceiling that high, this right here is a big plus, I gotta tell you. So I love the brightness, and I love how it's small, and it's hidden in the corner. Nobody knows really about it, except if you come around and be like, oh, look at that bright light. But look, I'm gonna step back to give you guys like an idea. So you could turn it whatever angle you want and put it on the plant wherever direction and all that stuff you want. So it's pretty cool. It's lightweight. It's not expensive. So we're still gonna get growing production and harvest production right in our home. All right, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Check in the description box, read up more about this, get your hand on one of this if you need it. Especially, as I said, you live in an apartment, you're living in a cold area. Do not stop garden because the weather outside is stopping you. I'm gonna tell you something. I love garden. I love fresh lettuce, fresh vegetables. Once you get fresh vegetables, you can't go back to the regular store one. It's not the same. I'm telling you, it's not the same. When I pick a piece of fresh lettuce here and I eat one from the store, it's not, the crunchy's not, you don't get that crunchy. You don't get that flavor. You don't get that texture. You don't get that nutrition. And then this, we grow it on our own. You grow your own food. You know how amazing that is, just to think about it, knowing that we plant from seed, or you plant from a seedling, and you watch it grow and you harvest. It's amazing feeling, and the taste is even better when you grow it your own. And if you're new, Welcome to my channel. We're all about growing a better home garden together. And trust me, if you're new, I have some really amazing, wonderful audience here that even sometimes I miss the comment, I miss the question, they respond and they are helpful. And I do appreciate everyone who helps everybody because that's how it's supposed to be. We're in a garden world and people are trying to learn how to grow a plant, or you have a mistake, or you don't understand something. This is where you learn. YouTube gives us that opportunity, or Google gives us that opportunity so that everybody could learn. So it's all free and it's all learning. So appreciate it to everybody who always step in and answering questions and helping people out too. I really, really appreciate that. 2 thumbs up from Green Tea Garden. All right, so today we got a nice day in Long Island, New York. So don't forget, 100% free to subscribe. Check in the description box.